Another video, another review, another pair of Comets. In my last video, I told you guys that I will be ordering a pair for myself. So just a video later, here we are. Hey guys, I'm the Vani and today we'll be talking about Comet Jugnu. Now the backstory why I actually ordered these, it's because deep down I'm still a kid and when I saw that these glow in dark, I wanted a pair for myself. Other reason is that they were actually sold out and Comet was restocking them, but they were only limited to 500 pairs. So either I can cop them or regret like I did on Santanu's collaboration. Now lucky for me, Comet actually gives an early access to existing customers, and since Anurag just copped his pair, he had an early access which I asked him for, and I also got 15% off as an early bird discount. Now let's start with the unboxing, but first let's talk about the box. As you can see, it's a black and green box which has the Comet Jugnu branding on the top. On the sides we can see that there's a Comet logo on the lid, and we also have a sticker which has details of the pairs like manufacturing date, colorway, silhouette, and also the retail. Now the retail mentioned on the box is 5,999, but the retail mentioned on the website is 4,299. Although like I mentioned, I had an early bird discount. I got 15% off, so I paid 3,654. And now when we open the box, the inside of the lid has the story about the brand and their motto, which is never shy, never sorry. Although I would say that it's a bit opposite of me, as I consider myself a bit shy. But moving ahead, we have these two cards in the box. They both have branding on one end, while one of them is more of a thank you note, while the other one has some instructions on it on how you can make them glow or how you can clean them. Moving ahead, we have some stickers which are associated with the brand, and then we have this extra set of lasers which might look white, but these also glow in dark. And then we have this black dust bag which has branding on one side and a message on the other side. And finally, we have our hands on the shoe. Now the shoe is made up of this black leather with white accents all over it. And talking about the black leather, I would say that it's decent for the price I have paid. Now the shoe comes with black lasers pre-installed. Now talking about the tongue, it is also made up of the same black leather, and it has a branding patch stitched on the top. It has white Comet branding and also a green Jugnu or firefly. Now both Jugnu and the Comet branding are debossed on the tongue. Coming to the sides, we have this black shooting stars with white accents around the edges and also some white paint splatter. Now these white accents and the paint splatter are the part that glows in the dark. Coming to the back, we have this black pull tabs which has Comet branding on it, and when we raise them, the right one says always lit while the left one says never shy. The midsole of the shoe is black and has Comet branding on the back side. Now most of the outsole is black except the heel part, which is greenish white, and it also glows in the dark. And the outsole also has the solar system theme going on. Now coming to the other side, it also has the same black shooting star with white accents. Unfortunately, no paint splatter, but these white edges also glow in the dark. Now let's talk about the sizing. I went for my true size, which is UK9, and it fits perfectly. So I would suggest you to stick to your own sizes. Except for women, I just suggest you to go a size down. So if you are a UK5, go for UK4. If you are a UK6, go for UK5. Now some on-feet clips. Now that's it for the review, and if you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please smash that like button. Also click on that subscribe so you don't miss any latest reviews, releases and tips of the sneaker world, and I'll see you around.